Crocodiles are fascinating reptiles with a rich evolutionary history and unique adaptations. They have around 66 teeth that are replaced every 2 to 3 years. Instead of chewing, crocodiles rip chunks of meat and swallow them whole. Crocodiles can grow to impressive lengths, with species like the saltwater crocodile reaching over 7 meters and weighing up to 1,000 kilograms. Crocodiles have existed for over 80 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions, which showcases their remarkable adaptability and resilience as a species. Crocodiles inhabit tropical regions across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. They thrive in freshwater habitats like rivers and lakes, but can also tolerate brackish and saltwater environments due to specialized salt glands. Crocodiles are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their excellent night vision and sensory organs to detect vibrations in water. Some species can leap up to 30 feet out of the water, showcasing their powerful tails and strong muscles. The most unique thing about crocodiles is their incredibly powerful bite force, considered the strongest in the animal kingdom, which allows them to exert immense pressure with their jaws due to their specialized muscle structure, enabling them to easily capture and subdue prey, coupled with their ability to continuously replace lost teeth throughout their lives with a unique tooth replacement system. Female crocodiles exhibit significant parental care by guarding their nests and assisting hatchlings. As apex predators, crocodiles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by controlling populations of various species. Crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for extended periods up to an hour by significantly lowering their heart rate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.